Okay guys, welcome back to another lesson of today. So in today's lesson, we're going to be talking about the pentatonic scale, okay? I'm going to show you how you can use your pentatonic scale to make some cool improvisation, okay? Make some cool solo. So many of you have been finding out to solo using your pentatonic scale. Worry no more, I'm going to show you how you can use your pentatonic scale today. Okay, alright, so let's move straight to the video. Okay, welcome back to the video. So make sure your guitar is on the standard tuning. So like I said, always make sure you tune your guitar on the standard tune and make sure you practice your major scale, all of the fretboard, so you can, understand the position, each of the position, one after the other, okay? So we have so many positions. That's the key of C. Okay? This is what I practice a whole lot all the time in my private time, in my race time, practice time. So I practice this a whole lot, and that helped me in my fingering and improvisation all over the fretboard. So the second thing you have to learn is a major pentatonic scale in different shape in the guitar fretboard. So, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, la, sol, mi, re, do, re, mi. That's the first part. The second part is do, re, mi, sol, la, do, la, sol, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do. Okay, so the second one is so if you can practice your major scale all over the fretboard like that, if you can understand that those shape, okay, you'll be able to improvise using it very, very simple at ease, okay? So that's the first step you need to do as a guitarist. You have to practice each of the scales very well, okay? For you to be able to understand how the fretboard works and how it goes, okay? So that's it. So the chord progression I want us to play over is just a 6, 5, 4, 5. Okay, so let's listen to how it sounds. So that is it. So that's it. So I'm going to break down everything I just played. So how I'm using my major pentatonic over the boxes, different boxes and different shape. So as a beginner, you want to play using your major pentatonic. That's the same way. You just have to, erase, as simple as that, okay? So the first thing I played was, I play on this shape. So I played, this is do, re, mi, sol, la. So we have your do, re, have your sol, la, okay? So if you hold like this, sol and do, slide to the la, re. So you have your major pentatonic there. So now I play re, sol, mi, la. Okay, remember these are the notes that form the major pentatonic. This is do, la, sol, mi, re, do, la. So we have your re, sol, mi, la. Okay, so I slide from there. This is re and sol, mi and la. Okay. So then I made a pull on. So for many of you that don't really know how you can make your notes sound better, like I said in my previous video, always make sure you learn your pull on, something like this. This is a pull on. So you have to learn how to use your pull on. So I made a hammer on from the sol and la, okay, sol, la, sol, la, sol, la, sol, la, sol. Made a pull on again. Mi, re, do, la, la. So I play something like that. So I started from my re, mi, sol, sol, la, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, la. Okay. Added this T minor note here to spice it up a little. So everything I just played is very simple. It's just about using your major pentatonic. It's just about understanding your major pentatonic, how the notes, how it work. Okay. So don't forget the chord progression is just 6, 5, 4, 5. So if you want the chord progression, I can actually send it to you. Just give me a DM. I'm going to send it for you so you can go ahead and practice with it. Okay? And go ahead and practice with it. So that's it. The last but not the least, one of the sequences I played was something like. So I play mi, sol, la, do, la, sol, mi, re. Mi, sol, la, do, la, sol, mi, re. Do, re, mi, sol, do, re, mi, sol, mi, re, do, la. Sol, la, do, re, do, la, sol, mi. Okay, sol, la, do, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, la, sol, mi, sol, la. So that is a whole lot to play. But for now, let's stop there for now. I'm going to continue the lesson in my next video. So make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss anything I'm going to show you, okay? All right. See you guys in the next video. Bye.